How to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you're trying to make a voice call or a video call, or you're trying to record on your iPhone, but you got slammed with microphone not working on your phone, maybe to record a voice message, WhatsApp need access to your microphone, tap settings and turn on microphone, or this occurs when you're trying to make a voice call on the Facebook app, either using the Facebook Messenger or with the Telegram app. Then this video is going to walk you through how you can fix microphone not working on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Once you open the settings app, scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to privacy and security, and then click on it. Now once you selected privacy and security, scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to microphone, then click on it, and here you should see the total number of apps that can have access to your microphone enabled. If it is grayed out, that shows microphone is disabled. Then locate the application where you want to use the microphone and then turn it on. So if you also want to use microphone on Instagram, turn it on. Telegram, turn it on or turn it off. Now once you turn on the microphone on the application you want to use it on, then you can go back to the application again, go ahead, open it, then you should see that the microphone error is now cleared. So that is basically how to fix microphone not working on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.